This is the old R66 shield. You take off the films first, like this. Then take the glasses and slip the frame into the leg of the glasses, like this. Okay, like this, very simple. Okay, and it's ready. Okay, now let's see the new R66 frame. We have to take off the film again. One, and the second film, let me see, okay, the second film off. Then for this one you have to put this small hole like this, and then slip the plastic into the leg of the glasses, like this. But very important, don't pull up the little piece of plastic, this little piece of plastic, because if you pull it up, it'll break. Okay, and then the same on the other side. We have to push it in like that, and the frame is ready. Okay.